Let us solve some examples from practice set 6.6. Question number 1. The age group and number of persons who donated blood in a blood donation camp is given below. Draw a pie diagram from it. Age group in years 20 to 25, 25 to 30, 30 to 35, 35 to 40, and number of persons given 80, 60, 35, 25. We have to represent this data in pie diagram. So here we have to prepare table. First two columns are as it is given in the question. Okay, and third column is measure of central angle. So to find out the measure of central angle, first we have to add these frequencies. So here 5 plus 5, 10, carry 1, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 6, 12, 12 plus 8, 20. So here total number of persons is 200. Now let us find out the measure of central angle for first age group 20 to 25. The frequency is 80. So 80 upon 200 into 360. 0, 0 cancel. This 1 0 is also cancelled. Then 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. And 36 into 4 is equal to 144 degree. Next, 60 upon 200 into 360. 0, 0 cancel, 0, 0 cancel, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. Now 36 into 3. 108 degree. Next 35. So 35 upon 200 multiply by 360. 0, 0 cancel. Now 35 and 20 divisible by 5. 5 7s are 35, 5 4s are 20, and 4 1s are 4, 4 9s are 36. Now 7 into 9, 9 7s are 63 degree. And the last one is 25 upon 200 into 360. 0, 0 cancel. Again 25 and 20 divisible by 5. 5 5s are 25, 5 4s are 20, 4 1s are 4, 4 9s are 36. 9 5s are 45 degree. Now if you add this, it must be equal to 360 degree. So this way we calculated measure of central angle. Now we will divide this circle into these sectors having these angles. So let us see how to draw pie diagram. So here we have to take one center. Take convenient radius. Draw circle. Now we have to draw one radius. Take protector. Keep the protector on this radius. Now I told you how to keep the protector here. Now first angle is 144 degree. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140. After 140, fourth line. Here write down measure 144 degree. This is for age group 20 to 25. Now we have to draw second angle. So we have to keep the protector on this new radius. Like this way. Now next central angle is 108. Start from this side. 100, 105, 6, 7, 8. degree for age group 25 to 30. Now we have to draw next angle. Keep the protector on this new radius. Now next angle is 63 degree. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. After 60, third line. degree for age group 30 to 35. And this last one remaining central angle is 45 degree for the age group 35 to 40. So this way we represented the given data in pie diagram. Followed? Students, let us solve one more example from practice set 6.6. Question number 2. The marks obtained by a student in different subjects are shown. Draw a pie diagram showing the information. Subjects given: English, Marathi, Science, Mathematics, Social Science and Hindi. And marks scored in that subject is given. We have to show this information in pie diagram. Okay. So let us first see the calculation part. We have to prepare table containing 3 columns. First 2 columns are as it is from the question: subject, marks and then measure of central angle. So let us see how to calculate central angle. For first subject English, marks are 50 and total marks 400. So 50 divided by 400 into 360. 0, 0 cancel. This second 0 cancelled with this 0. Then we have here 4 ones are 4, 4 nines are 36 and then 5 nines are 45 degrees. So first angle is 45 degree. Second subject Marathi, marks 70. So 70 upon 400 into 360. 0, 0 cancel. This 0 cancel. 4 ones are 4 nines are 36. 7 nines are 63 degree. Next subject Science, marks scored 80. So 80 upon 400 into 360. 0, 0 cancel. This 0 cancel. 4 ones are 4, 4 nines are 36 and 9 eights are 72 degree. Next angle Mathematics, marks 90. So 90 upon 400 into 360. 0, 0 cancel. Second 0 cancelled. 4 ones are 4 nines are and 9 9s are 81. Next subject social science, marks 60. So 60 upon 400 into 360. 0 0 cancel. This second 0 cancelled with this 0. 4 1s are 4. 4 9s are 36. And 6 9s are 54 degree. And last subject Hindi, marks 50. So 50 upon 400 into 360. 0 0 cancel. This 0 cancel. 4 1s are 4 9s are 5 9s are 45 degree. Total of this central angle must be 360 degree. Now let us see how to draw pi diagram. First we have to take one center. Take convenient radius. Draw a circle. Draw one radius. Keep protector on this radius. So first angle is 45 degree. 10, 20, 30, 40. After 40 this fifth line 45. Right here measure of angle 45 degree. Here subject English. Now this is new radius. Keep protector on this new radius. Next central angle 63 degree. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. After 60, third line. Measure of angle 63 degree. Subject Marathi. Now this is new radius. Keep protector on this radius. Next central angle 72 degree. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. After 70, second line. (72 degree). Subject is science. Okay, now this is new radius. Keep protector on this new radius. Now I hope you understood how to keep the protector. Next angle is 81 degree. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. After 80, first line. Here angle 81 degree and subject mathematics. Now keep the protector on this new radius. Next angle is 54 degree. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. After 50, fourth line. Here angle 54 degree and subject is social science. And the last central angle, remaining central angle is 45 degree, which is for Hindi. So this way we represented the given data using pie chart. Followed?